So, you've got a Monese account, right? Or maybe you're considering getting one. It's fast, convenient, and it's changing the way we bank. But have you ever wondered who the mastermind behind this digital banking revolution is? Who's the person calling the shots at Monese? Let's dive in. Monese, with its sleek app and promise of banking freedom, has captured the attention of millions. But who's the visionary leading this financial disruption? It's a question that's probably crossed your mind at some point. Let's rewind a bit. Remember the days when opening a bank account felt like applying for a government job? Endless paperwork, proof of address, and waiting times that could rival a passport application. It was a nightmare, right? Well, that's exactly what Norris Koppel experienced when he moved to the UK. Frustrated by the traditional banking system, he decided to do something about it. Koppel, a serial entrepreneur with a knack for spotting opportunities, saw a gap in the market. A market for a bank that was as easy to open as your email account. And just like that, Monese was born. From a small idea, it grew into a fintech giant, offering everything from current accounts to money transfers, all wrapped up in a user-friendly app. So, to answer the burning question, who is the CEO of Monese? It's Norris Koppel. The man who turned a frustrating experience into a game-changing financial service. Under his leadership, Monese has disrupted the banking industry and set a new standard for convenience and accessibility. Koppel's entrepreneurial spirit and vision have been instrumental in Monese's success. His ability to identify customer pain points and develop innovative solutions has solidified Monese's position as a leading fintech player. But Monese isn't just about technology. It's about empowering people. Whether you're a freelancer, a student, or someone who simply wants a hassle-free banking experience, Monese is there for you. And it's all thanks to the vision and leadership of Norris Koppel. From humble beginnings to a global financial platform, Monese's journey is an inspiring tale of innovation and determination. And at the helm of it all is Norris Koppel, the CEO who's rewriting the rules of banking. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.